muy poquito. Hi my babies, it's Mother and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. You're so welcome. My name is Cheryl, but you can call me Mother. And if you're one of my most loyal babies, mwah, mommy loves you. Let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This, I actually had to mix two shades together to get the shade that I am in. I mixed 356 Warm Coconut and 334 Warm Sun to get my shade, which I absolutely hate. Because originally in the Fit Me foundations, I am 355 Coconut, but that came off a little dark. It was a little cool in this range, so I had to get the Warm Coconut, which I'm glad that they have because some places don't have Warm Coconut. But it still really wasn't my shade because it was a little too red, so to say. So I had to go for the Warm Sun, which was a little too light, but the right hue, the right undertone. So yeah. In this video, I also tested out the Instant Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline. I can get the shade Caramel, but this also works too. You guys will see in the video, and as you can see now on my face, it works. I'm just going to go ahead and read the specs about this foundation for you. It says that it is full coverage foundation. That for sure it is, most definitely full coverage. You can get up to 24 hours of wear. I absolutely hope that you are not wearing this foundation for 24 hours. If so, your skin needs a real deep cleanse and exfoliation, all right? All right. A seamless matte finish, and it is a matte finish, but it's not super matte. Like it says, it's seamless. To be honest, it's not like a stupid matte, my face is cracked up, dragging across the floor matte. It's like, oh, okay, it's matte. Matte. Breathable and comfortable, yeah. My pores don't feel clogged up, like they can't breathe. That's pretty true. And comfortable, yeah, it's pretty comfortable. It doesn't feel tight on my face. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. So yeah, breathable and comfortable, yeah, that's true. Fade and transfer resistant. Hey mama. Well, you know what, I would have to say that that's probably true because Koyana touched my face with her sleeve earlier and there wasn't any makeup on it. So I'm actually just going to take a paper towel and we're going to try a transfer test real quick just to see if this is really what it is. Is it really transfer proof? This is a clean paper towel. Oh, I probably shouldn't have put that up. Hopefully it didn't wash me out. It didn't. This is a clean paper towel and I'm just going to go ahead and just slap my face with it and see if it comes off. Not that much. None really, from what you can see. Very little amount of transfer. So that's, I guess, relatively true. Oil-free, doesn't clog pores. Dermatologist tested. That goes with breathable and comfortable. So yeah, this is very much so true. So if you guys want to see my take on the review and this orange cut crease that I created today, then just go ahead and stay tuned to the video. Let's get right into it. Onto the foundation, and today I will be trying out the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. You're supposed to be able to wear it for up to 24 hours. If you wear makeup for that long, shame on you. Your skin is probably the worst. But anyways, I'm trying this foundation out today. I got it in the shade 356. I normally get 355 Coconut in the Maybelline Fit Me line, but the coconut looked a little cool to me, and then I got the 356 Warm Coconut, so that looks a little bit more like me, but I wasn't too sure, so I got this color too, which is 334 Warm Sun. And I might have to mix these two together just to get my shade, but who knows, girl? Who knows? These two things combined is what YouTube is all about right now. Like, so I was like, okay, I guess I can try the hype. Let me see, let me jump on, let me just see. It's drugstore. I'm so drugstore, so trying it out, trying it out. In the shade Golden. Now, I was gonna get the shade Caramel, but I wasn't too sure because it looked more like my skin tone, but I wish I would have picked it up because Golden is looking a little light, but it may just work. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right on into it. Oh, it comes in a pump. That is great. I've never had a foundation that has a pump on it. Oh, I just lied. My Kat Von D has a pump on it. So I'm gonna put this on the back of my hands. And actually, I'm just gonna put that right on my face. Let's see. Zoom y'all in just a smidge. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Oh shit. I could probably get away with it. It's a little warm. It's really warm actually. It's more red than I am. It's looking real orangish. And I really don't switch up foundations just for this simple, like, this problem. I like my Kat Von D, I like my L'Oreal True Match, and I like my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. And I just, because they have my exact shade. So I'm going to do one pump of the 356 Warm Coconut, and I'm going to do one pump of the 334 Warm Sun. And let's see what that gives us. Oh, that was like a pump and a half of Warm Sun. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. stippling brush and I'm going to mix it on my hand. Okay. See, this is why I don't like mixing shades, because now I think I got too much of the Warm Sun. Oh my God. Girl, just shoot me in the head. Just shoot me. Girl, I am too through, honey. This is looking real weak. I'm not loving it. A part of me wants my money back. A part of me didn't even want to buy it. See, and I'd have to play around with this to get my right shade. And I hate doing that. Who has time to be mixing shades? It do got some nice coverage. It really does. But baby, who got the time? I don't know, y'all. I'm just looking real. I'm a little on the orange side. I just gotta play around with it, y'all. I'm gonna have to play around with it to find out if it's a pump. So I think it's like a pump of Warm Coconut and half a pump of Warm Sun. That's my mixture. Okay, well, I mean, girl, okay, the coverage is there. Clearly, the coverage is there. Have mercy on my soul, Jesus. Oh, Lord, how do I even open this? So this is the Instant Age Rewind. It's supposed to be like a depuffer, pretty much. And it erases dark circles. This is supposed to like take away your dark circles, like take them away. I might just go get this in my shade, like my foundation shade. Why do my teeth look so white? Oh my God, shout out to Crest. So I have to talk a little lower because Quiana is like in the verge of that wakey sleepy stage. So I'm going to apply the instant age rewind in the shade Toast. Oh, why did I say Toast? I'm so used to LA Pro Concealer. But Golden, actually, let me compare the two. So of course this one is a lot lighter. Hopefully I'm not looking hella ghostly, but here goes nothing. Okay, Maybelline. Well, maybe just a little higher up in the jar. Oh hell no. Good girl. 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 For one, I don't know what the fuck I don't know what everybody is hyping this up about. Why are my eyes burning? This is burning. This is burning me, you guys. Excuse my daughter in the background. She wants me to come pick her up. I'm not a bad mom. But this is burning. This is burning. And why am I still putting more on? I'm not too sure. Oh my god. And I'm still putting it on. This is like a train wreck. And I'm the one driving the locomotive. Like, girl. Put just a little bit of my toffee on the outside. Because what I'm not about to be doing is be the laughing stock. That's what I'm not gonna do. Girl, look at that. It's a nice contrast though. The two mixed together. See, but this is just more work than I'm used to. Like, makeup is already a lot, and now I gotta mix 2 foundations, 2 concealers. I should have just went with the caramel. Mixing the foundations is okay, I guess, but mixing 2 concealers, I'm just not here for it. But I'm looking real like it's about to be popping though. So let me just see. I might have to do all this work. Oh wow. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Y'all, I'm just so negative towards it because I've been wearing the same makeup just about like forever. Like, I literally don't change up my face. Eyeshadows, I'll dip and dab and try out new ones, but my face, girl, I don't touch my face. Okay, age rewind. This is looking fine, y'all. Oh, rewind this age, girl. 16. No, wow. Okay, this forehead, I just went a little outlandish on. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't even do this much on the regular. This actually don't look too bad. Wow. Girl, I went back and put some more. What is wrong with me? Oh, it's burning. It does burn. It does burn when you put it on. Burns like hot twat. Oh. Oh. But it looks so fresh. Like, I look so fresh. Like, awakened. You know what I'm saying? Wow. And like, y'all, I'm serious. I have been using the same foundations for like, girl, at least, I'm gonna say at the least 2 years. Maybe even more than that. What? Okay. Wow. Hey my babies, sorry that the video cut off abruptly. It died for some odd reason, or overheated. I don't think it died, I think it overheated. Unfortunately I've been working the hell out of this camera, but anyway, it overheated, so I finished my face, and you guys didn't really see the ending product of it, but I pretty much use the same products that I use in all my videos, other than the fact that I tried out the new Maybelline Superstay Foundation and the Age Rewind Concealer. Other than that, everything is just about the same. On my lips, I have this LA Girl Glazed Lip Paint, super intense color with extra glossy finish. This is what I have on my lips. I have a whole lot of these, and these are like perfect for the springtime. They give you a little pop of color, and they're pretty luscious with the gloss. So yeah. But if you babies enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become one of my beauty babies, because you won't regret it. You won't regret it. Just go ahead and hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit that subscribe button, hit it. And also don't forget to hit that little bell next to it. It turns on your notifications so that you can be knowing whenever I'm uploading. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you babies for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.